Hey guys, welcome to my channel and today I've got the first video back kind of. So I'm gonna teach you how to make a chat app. So how to make a chat app. So you can chat from it. So let's begin. But before we do that, please subscribe to my channel. You just have to click a button. Please do that. I will really appreciate it. And like the video. Thank you. So it is Whitehat Jr.'s project. So first I'll show you all the codings of it. So first we go to Thunderbird. No, first we go to firebase.google.com. Okay, so I've already signed in, but if you are new here, you will have to sign in. So you press go to console. So I've already created it, but the Firebase, what you will have to do, add project, enter the name of it, and then press continue, and then agree to everything. So here you go here, and you for if you want to, so you will have to do add app, which I already did. But so you do web, then you have to type the app's name and then press register app. So I'll do that to show you register app, and then you go on to Thunderbird, create a new project. I've created that. I just can't find it. Yeah, chat app. No, it is this. It is this pager chat app. Yeah. So first of all, you go to the settings and then you copy paste. See, you copy this API key and paste it here, and same with the database URL. So I've already done that here. So I'll just go back. Yeah, data. So I'll delete this one. No, I'll let it be here. So now you go to database. And I had to. So first you, when you do it for the first time, see what will come. No, it's not coming because it's not this first time. So wait. So you will have to, go a little down and press create project and do it in take at test mode and then enable. So you will be directed to this page. And now, so in the Thunderbird, first of all put a column, set its vertical alignment to spaced around. See here, and then you put one button for invite a friend, one for let's chat, one text input room name, one text input nickname. So after you have done that, I added an image uh, because I wanted it. You can also just add an image and then the image source. So then you have to add a share. Yeah, this share and real-time database. This I've already done that. Let's go to the blocks and wait for the second screen. I have to show you. So you put a list viewer and a text input. So you put a row in which you put the text input, in which you put the button, and uh, make that in a column and put a list viewer. This. Done. So now I'll tell you the coding. So first we have to initiate a variable nickname to null. So when button let's start will be clicked, then it will when there will be no text in the text input room name, then it will say room name required and same with the nickname. Otherwise, it should set the room name to the uh, the text which you are getting in the text input room name and the app nickname to the text input nickname. So you will have to name the input. So you click on them and you press this. So then you can name it. So then navigate to screen 2 and you put a if do else if do else statement. So you will have to do it from the gear here. If else. Okay. So then when button 1 it will share it. So if the room name is null, then it will say room name required, and then else you have to get it from share 1, share message, and then get a join block from text and press on this gear, add one item, and then from text only get this block and type this, and this is the app room name. So when you will share it, you will share the room name, right? So done for the screen 1. Screen 2, it will be initiate app variable chat list to empty list. You will get that from lists. And when button send is clicked, which is I just showed you that this, then if text in the if the get text input 1, which is the value type, which will not equals to empty, then in the real time from the here you will get in real time database call save, and the key will be app room name, value will be that join one, you press on the gear, there should be 3 items, then you put app nickname and space in the next one and colon in that one only, and from text input one get text, and then it should make the text input one empty. So when it starts, it should add a listener. So so the key here will be the app room name, and in the label room name it should set the text to app room name. I forgot to show you that. This is the label here. It will set text to the room name. So and when real-time database data change, the key this will be here. Then in list and put the app chat list, insert at first as value, copy paste this value, and from list viewer set text items to app chat list. So yeah, done. The coding is done. So go try it out and click on the pop-up banner up there to cast your vote that did you like this app which I made or you didn't. So yeah guys, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching this video, and you can watch my other Whitehat videos also. I'll put the pop-out banner here so you can watch the Whitehat Jr.'s other videos also which I made. Thank you and bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Tada.